How to turn on autoplay next video in Facebook application. Hey everybody, Facebook's autoplay next video lets the next video start automatically while you scroll or watch, which is very handy. So if you want to turn it on, you can just go and follow out this method in order to do so. So we can open up the Facebook app and ensure that the Facebook app is updated to the latest version. And from here, we can look out for the three horizontal lines in the top or the but at the top left from the latest update. Tap on it and access it up and go to the section of settings and privacy and drop it down and select settings from here. Now, once we go to settings, what we can do is we can go to the preferences section here and look out for the option called media and contacts. For Android, you can look out for media and contacts or videos or photos depending upon your device. You can just go and tap on it. After that, we can look out for the option called enable autoplay next video. So we have this option called, autoplay in feed and storage. So we have this option. We can just go over and turn this option here. We have on mobile data and Wi-Fi. When you select this option right here, it will autoplay everywhere, even if you're on mobile data or your Wi-Fi. If you want to make it to only Wi-Fi, you can tap on this option called on Wi-Fi only, and videos autoplay only on Wi-Fi. And if you want to go ahead and turn it off completely, we can select the option third, which is never autoplay, and it will turn off completely. And make sure this option is toggled on, and it will uh, turn off autoplay to save data and keep the Wi-Fi only autoplay to avoid using mobile data. It works for both Facebook feed and Facebook watch. You can just go and follow this method. Sometimes Facebook changes menu, so if you do not see the media and context, just search the autoplay in the Facebook settings search bar and you can just go over and turn on the autoplay next video in Facebook app that way. And that's it, everybody. That is how you should be able to do it. You may follow this method for that. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.